Imagine that we are standing by a beautiful brook. You can hear the water playing over the stones and the pebbles and the rocks. You can hear the birds, perhaps. There are trees around you. We are cosseted, we are held by nature in this magical space. Breathe into this space, and if you have shoes upon your feet, take them off, place them by the brook, and come step in the water with me. It's a little bit cold, but feel that water moving under your feet, over your feet. Feel the way that the ground shifts as your feet are moved by the water. Get a sense of how the water flows around and moves onward, always onward, without a consideration for that which has just disturbed their path, do you see? The water flows around, it finds a way, and then it flows onward and onward, around rocks, and even after time, perhaps through mountains.